This one's timeless. Yo, who loves Wonderwall? Who fucks with Wonderwall? Do you all fuck with Wonderwall? Today is gonna be the day that I'm gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. And I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Thank you. I just wanted to end it with Wonderwall. I love this song. It's timeless. I'm sorry. I fuck with it so much. If you hate me, you can beat the shit out of me after the show. It's fine. It's fine. I'll take it. I'll fucking take it. I'm sorry, guys.